Welcome back. Continuing the news. Now, in this evening's health report, Chamela Pullen looks at a medical condition in men more commonly known as BPH.
Benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, also referred to as prostate enlargement, happens when the prostate gland increases in size. The exact cause is unclear, but it's thought to be related to hormonal changes that happen as men age.
It is very, very common, and it tends to occur at about age 40, going up in years. So 40% of men in their 40s will have this condition, about 50% of men in their 50s, and the prevalence increases with age. So about 70% of men in their 70s will have this condition. It really is an enlargement of the gland that is not due to cancer. So I know we speak a lot about prostate cancer. This is one condition that is not due to cancer, but can be very, very annoying.
The main symptom of BPH is difficulty urinating.
One of the things that they'll come urge to urinate, it may take a while for the stream to come. When it does come, they may have to strain or force, or it's not very strong. They may find that they pass very small volumes of urine very frequently, and so it gets them up a lot at night. Some of them will tell you that 3, 4, 5 times at night they're going to urinate. In the daytime, they have to go very often, so it interrupts their activities. If they're driving for long distances, if they're in a meeting, they can't concentrate because they have to be going very often.
BPH can lead to complications such as bladder stones, recurrent urinary tract infections, heavy bleeding from the prostate, and in rare cases, kidney failure. The good news is that the condition can be treated with medication, surgery, or resume water vapor therapy, which has fewer side effects.
This is a condition that affects middle-aged to older men, and naturally sexual side effects are vexing. You're talking about lack of interest in sex, or erectile dysfunction, or ejaculator dysfunction, where they may not be able to ejaculate. So impotence and issues with ejaculation are major problems for men.
If a man suspects he has BPH, he should see a medical doctor or a urologist as soon as possible. With your health report, I'm Chamela Pullen, wishing you good health.